Welcome to this comprehensive guide to Kraken, one of the most popular cryptocurrency platforms in the world. In this tutorial, we'll walk through everything you need to know about using Kraken for trading and wallet management. First, head to Kraken's homepage, where you'll find an intuitive interface designed for users of all experience levels. Sign up for a free account using your email and set up a secure password. After registration, ensure your account is verified by completing the KYC process, which is essential for accessing all features. Once inside, you'll notice the dashboard provides an overview of your portfolio, including balances, transaction history, and market trends. Kraken offers a variety of supported cryptocurrencies, making it easy to diversify your holdings. To make your first deposit, click Funding, choose your desired currency, and follow the deposit instructions. Kraken supports multiple payment methods, including bank transfers and crypto deposits. Now you're ready to trade? Navigate to the Trade tab, where you can explore options like spot trading, margin trading, and futures. The platform provides advanced tools for charting and market analysis to help you make informed decisions. For those interested in passive income, Kraken also offers staking, allowing you to earn rewards on supported assets. To use the staking feature, go to the Earn section, select your asset, and choose the staking option. Your rewards will accrue over time and can be easily tracked in your dashboard. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. If you're ever stuck or need assistance, Kraken provides 24/7 customer support via chat and email. For maximum security, enable two-factor authentication and consider using a hardware wallet for long-term storage. To get started with Kraken today, don't forget to use my exclusive link, https://lnk.do/jqucoif, and claim your bonus for new users. Smash the like button if you found this guide helpful, and subscribe for more crypto tips and platform reviews.